The success of Jewish people is undeniable, as they have made significant contributions in various fields such as science, technology, business, arts, and culture. The question is, why do Jewish people excel in so many fields? In this article, we will explore some practical examples that demonstrate the factors contributing to the success of Jewish people. Historical factors. One of the historical factors that have contributed to the success of Jewish people is their experience of persecution and diaspora. Despite facing discrimination, expulsion, and even genocide, Jewish people have maintained their cultural and religious traditions. This has fostered a strong sense of community and solidarity among Jews, as well as a determination to preserve their cultural and religious heritage. For example, during World War II, Jewish people were subjected to the most horrific forms of persecution, including being forced into ghettos, concentration camps, and even gas chambers. Despite this, many Jewish people showed incredible resilience and determination to survive. One such example is Anne Frank, who wrote a diary during her time in hiding in Amsterdam, becoming a symbol of hope and resistance against Nazi oppression. Cultural factors. Jewish culture is also a significant factor that has contributed to the success of Jewish people. For instance, Jewish people have a deep respect for learning, which has led to the establishment of Jewish schools and universities throughout the world. This emphasis on education has produced generations of highly educated and accomplished Jews, who have made significant contributions to various fields. One practical example of this is Albert Einstein, one of the most famous scientists of the 20th century. Einstein was a Jew who grew up in Germany, and he was deeply influenced by Jewish culture and values. His groundbreaking theories of relativity and quantum mechanics revolutionized our understanding of the physical world and had a profound impact on modern physics. Social factors. Jewish people have also played a significant role in social and political activism, promoting progressive causes such as civil rights, environmentalism, and peace. For instance, Jewish people have been prominent in the civil rights movement in the United States, working alongside other minorities to fight for equal rights and justice. One practical example of this is Ruth Bader Ginsburg, a Jewish woman who became the second female justice of the United States Supreme Court. Ginsburg was a lifelong champion of women's rights and civil rights, and her work had a significant impact on American society. Business and entrepreneurship. Jewish people have also been successful in the business world, playing a key role in the development of many important industries and institutions. For instance, Jewish people have been prominent in finance, helping to establish many of the world's most successful investment banks and financial institutions. One practical example of this is Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time. Buffett is a Jew who was raised in Omaha, Nebraska, and he has been a prominent figure in the finance world for many years. His investment strategies and business acumen have made him one of the wealthiest people in the world. Arts and culture. Jewish people have also made significant contributions to the arts and culture, producing many famous writers, artists, musicians, and filmmakers. For instance, Jewish people have played a significant role in the development of Hollywood, creating many of the world's most famous films and television shows. One practical example of this is Steven Spielberg, one of the most successful filmmakers of all time. Spielberg is a Jew who has directed many of the most famous films in history, including Jaws, E.T. the Extraterrestrial, and Schindler's List. His work has had a significant impact on the world of cinema and has helped to shape popular culture. Conclusion. In conclusion, the success of Jewish people can be attributed to a combination of historical, cultural, social, and economic factors. Jewish people have a deep respect for learning and education, a strong sense of community and solidarity, and a commitment to social justice and progressive causes. They have also been successful in many different fields, from science and technology to business and the arts. The practical examples discussed in this article demonstrate the many ways in which Jewish people have made significant contributions to the world, and they serve as a testament to the resilience, creativity, and determination of this remarkable community. Thank you for watching. We will continue to send you wonderful videos. Please like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel.